If you invest $10,000 with the same 13.86% APY, your $10,000 will become after 10 years.
Till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag.
Hi everyone, welcome to Investing Mania. My name is Terry. Are you still saving your money in fixed deposit for 1% or 2% interest? What? Inflation is already 2.5%? Or are you still letting a big sum of money sitting in your normal savings account for 0.1% interest? Today, let me show you how you can earn up to 13.86% APY with Hodlnaut and get $50 worth of stablecoin for free. Before we continue, please help me to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because it will help my video and my channel to reach out to more audience. Thank you. Today's video is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Hodlnaut is a Singapore-based crypto lending and borrowing platform co-founded by Jun Tao and Simon in April 2019. But in today's video, I will only talk about Hodlnaut's interest accounts. No, Hodlnaut is not a scam. It is recognized and certified by Singapore FinTech Association. It has also acquired an in-principle approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore for a major payment institution license under Payment Service Acts for its token swap feature. Currently, Hodlnaut supports BTC, WPTC, ETH, Luna, and stablecoin like USDC, USDT, DAI, and UST. You can refer to this table here for the tiered interest rates. For example, if you deposit 1 BTC, you can earn a 5.33% APY on it. But the next 0.5 BTC, you will only earn 5.02% APY. Now, look at the table for UST. There's no cap? Yes, you didn't see it wrongly. There's no cap and Hodlnaut pay you a 13.86% APY. Besides, if you sign up between now and 26 June 2022, you will get a limited time offer of free 20 UST plus 30 USDC if you deposit $1,500 worth of asset into your Hodlnaut account and hold it for 31 consecutive days.
So it means if I sign up today and put $1,500 for 31 days, I will get $50. If I recommend my wife, I will get another $50 and she get another $50. Total $150 free. Not bad, not bad.
First, you need to register a Binance.com account and a Hodlnaut account. You can use your friend's referral link to register. But if you don't have any friend, you... Wait, Terry, you cannot say people don't have friend one eh. Change. Okay, restart 1, 2, 3, action. If you don't have any referral link, you can use the referral link in the description below. After your registration, buy some Luna in Binance Spot Market using USDT. If you do not know how to get your USDT yet, refer to this video which I explain how you can get cheap USDT. After getting your Luna, log into your Hodlnaut account, select Deposit, select Luna, and select Terra. Copy the address and paste it in your Binance withdrawal windows. In Binance, remember to select Terra and leave the memo blank. Input the amount or click on Max to withdraw all. After a few minutes, when the Luna arrives in your Hodlnaut, click on Token Swap and swap all your Luna into UST. Congratulations! You are now earning a 13.86% APY on your UST. And with the power of compounding interest, if you invest $10,000 with the same 13.86% APY, your $10,000 will become $36,633.49 after 10 years. Number 1. The interest is paid out weekly on every Monday, 5 PM Singapore time. Number 2. There's no lockup period for your fund, but to earn the referral reward, you need to hold a $1,500 for at least 31 consecutive days. Number 3. You have one free withdrawal per calendar month. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.